Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, also known as the Roaming Reseller. You can find me on Instagram at Roaming Reseller. I am a full-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I'll have my closet and store link down below in the description. Today I just have a very short haul video for you. Went to an estate sale in Spring, Texas a couple of weeks ago. Went in, a lot of the stuff was priced pretty high and mainly had a lot of hard goods, jewelry, a lot of things that I'm either not selling anymore or haven't sold because we are full-time RVers. I am trying to get away from any type of hard goods or toys or anything like that and just stick with clothing, shoes, purses, those type of items because it's easier for me to store in our travel trailer. So I spent $35 total and got 8 items. The way they had it priced is there was a couple of the things I got were $2.50, some things were $5, one thing was $10, and I'll give you that information as we go along. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. All right. The first thing I got here, and I paid $10 for this. I did pay a little up for this. It is a handmade tooled leather purse. I have already gone over it with some leather wipes. I'm going to do a little bit more. There was a little, starting here, a little bit of crackling right there, but I still thought it was worth it. Looking at the comps, I'm hoping to get between about 50 to 60 for this. It's got a really pretty floral design on the front. The side just has some leaf design, and then on the back here it has an Indian head and then almost type of like a tribal symbol. But I thought it was really cute. It's got an adjustable strap here. The inside, it does have a few little pin marks there that I will disclose, but the inside was in really good condition. There's not a brand name, it just says where it was made in Mexico, but I just thought this was really pretty, and I figured for $10 and potentially it may have to sit for a while, but that's okay. But I figured for 50, you know, to be able to turn 10 into 50 or 60, it was worth it. So we've got that. Next thing I got, and the shoes were all $5 a piece. I got 3 pairs of shoes. It is a pair of Stuart Weitzman heels. They're a chocolate brown, deep brown suede shoe. There are a couple of little places that here that where it's coming apart, and I'll disclose that. But they were in really good condition. I like it has a little strip here on the heel and also around the toe. Hoping on these, they are, it says here, 7.5. So I'm hoping to get 30 to 40 on these Stuart Weitzman heels there. This next pair of shoes are, it's like a stacked heel, clog, mule type heel. It does have like a stretchable elastic here with the little design there. It has almost like a faux some type of like faux animal print on it, or not a faux but an etched in animal print on it. And these are Palomino, made in Italy. The soles are in really good condition. The shoes are in great condition all, overall. These are a size 8. Hoping to get like 30 to 35 on these. Now the next ones I really couldn't believe. I was very excited to find these. They are Yves Saint Laurent. They are a burgundy suede. I am going to have to do a little cleaning on these. I do have, I've got the suede eraser and brush, and I haven't tried it. I haven't cleaned them up yet. There's a black pen mark right there, if you can see. I'm not sure if the eraser will get that out. If you have any tips or tricks for getting something like that off of these type of shoes, I would greatly appreciate it. You could put it in the comments down below. Now the strap on this, it would be like it will wrap around the ankle. And it's a really pretty burgundy. There is wear on the bottom. But for $5, I thought it was worth it to pick them up. I looked on comps online. There's a pair exactly like this, and kind of close to the same condition for $300. It's a different size. And so I am hoping to get between $150 and $200 for these, just because if I can't get that, and there's, you know, there's obvious wear on the bottom and everything, and it seemed like an older style. I am going to price them a little bit higher, probably start them about $250 and hope for $150 to $200. So, but I was very excited about these, to find these for $5 at an estate sale. All right. I also found, I think I paid $2 for this. It's a 1995 NBA Finals hat. There is some staining and yellowing in it. I gotta try and clean that up a little bit. Online, these were running anywhere from like 25 to 30, but in case I can't get some of the staining out, and there were ones that did have the yellowing and some stains on them that were selling for about 15 to 20. So I'm gonna do a little bit of work on this, and hoping for maybe like 12 to 15 on it. Next thing I got is a pair of machine jeans. That's the tag on it there. I'd never seen these before. They do seem to be a little bit of a higher end. I didn't find any on Poshmark, but I did find them on eBay. But looking up in, you know, the comps are about 20 to 25 on eBay. So they're heavily distressed, dark denim. They've got the bling pockets on there, the distressing on this side. So with it being, you know, a skinny type leg, the heavy distressing, the bling pocket, I figured for, you know, $250 to pick up, it was absolutely worth it. And hoping for 20 to 25 on these. They may have to sit a while just because the brand isn't as known, but I figured it was worth a shot. And then the next thing, well actually the last two things, are two pair of Victoria's Secret yoga pants. They're the same size, so I'm thinking about lotting these together. If I tried to sell them separately, I'd probably hope for between like $15 to $18, $15 to $20. But they're in really good condition. They're not faded at all. It's the black. It's got a heart detail on the side. This one has the pink band, and it's got angel written on the back. This one, they are extra small short, or extra small petite. So we've got that one, and then we've got another black one that has the glitters getting everywhere on this one. It's got the gold glitter wings on the back. So like I said, I'll probably, because they're both extra small and the short, probably lot those together, start them maybe about 28 and hope for about 25 for those to sell. So that's it for this haul. Like I said, it was very short. I just ran in. We were on the way to my brother's house, and I saw the sign, and I said, oh, let's run, let me run in there for just a minute. A lot of their stuff was priced way too high, and I did try and see if they would do a deal on some Numa tag. They had tons and tons of like khaki docker type pants, and but I didn't want to pay $250 to those were like, they were asking $250 to $5 a piece for those, and I tried to work a deal with them on that, but they weren't interested in it. So like I said, I spent $35 on these items, and hoping to get between $315 and $400 for it, depending. And I will have the Yves Saint Laurent. I will post those onto my Instagram so you can follow and see what they did end up selling for and how long it took me. If you like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe down below. You can also hit the notification button to be notified when I have new videos coming up. If you liked this, please give me that thumbs up for the like. I am still very new at the YouTube video, so I always appreciate you sticking with me and watching this and subscribing, and it's very much appreciated. I'm having fun with it, and look forward to getting better as I continue this journey. As always, be kind, live your best life, and make every day count. Thanks. You guys have a good day.